5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 4 right long, opens 60 over bumps, 6 left into 5 right over crest. Into 4 left long, tightens 2 over crest through gate to water splash. And 3 left over bump, opens long over jump, tightens, turn 4 left over jump, into don't cut, 1 right, very long, tightens, into turn, tight hairpin left. .60. Keep middle of a crest and jump and water splash. 4 left through gate long, opens of a crest, 100. 6 left, 100. 4 left, don't cut over crest, 50. 6 right to keep middle of a crest, slow 130, turn unseen, tight hairpin right, uphill. Into 5 left long, opens to crest, and 6 left long, into 4 right, keep in of a crest, opens 30 over bumps, to keep right of a jump into turn 2 left long, opens uphill, into 6 right, 60. Keep middle of a crest and jump maybe, 170. 6 right of a jump. And turn 6 right of a crest into slow, 6 left of a crest into 2 right. 100. Down middle of a bumps to keep middle of a 100, down middle of a bumps, to keep middle of a jump, 130 of a bumps, slow 4 right long, tightens 3 of a crest, into turn, hairpin left. Into 4 right long, tightens of a crest, into 4 left long, into slow, turn unseen, 2 right, immediate, square left. 60 over crest, 3 right, tightens over crest, 4 left, 4 right, 2 left tightens, and 4 right, 4 left, into 3 right long tightens, into turn, 2 left tightens, opens of a jump, into 3 right long, caution 30, turn 6 right, 4 left of a crest, downhill, slow, keep left of 80, turn square right, opens 6 long, into 3 left long, opens, tightens 2 of a crest, 4 right long of a crest, opens 100. 2 right long tightens, into 5 left, 4 right, 2 left long tightens, into 6 right, 80, 3 right of a crest, logs, 60, keep middle of a crest, and 4 right. Keep right of a 70, 6 left of a crest, into 3 right long, tightens don't cut, 60, 5 right of a crest, to keep middle of a crest, 30, 6 right of a crest long, tightens 3, into 2 left long, tightens 1, 6 right, into 4 left long, into 3 right of a crest long, tightens 50, 4 left of a crest, slow 30, gate and turn 1 left, 50, turn unseen, 2 right long, tightens bad camber, into 6 left and slow. 5 right tightens into turn, hairpin left. Opens. Into 4 left of a crest, into turn, square right, don't cut. 30. 5 right, into 5 left. Into 6 right and don't cut, 3 left of a crest, long tightens. 150. 6 right long of a crest, tightens. Into 3 left, keep in of a jump. Into 4 right of a dip, opens of a crest, 60. 5 right, long, into 6 left of a crest, bump, into 4 right tightens. Into 5 left of a crest, into 4 right long. Keep left of a 30, 3 right tightens. Into 4 left, opens of a crest, 30, 6 right through gate and jump, into 5 left long. Into 4 right, 40 through gate, 5 right, into 5 left, into 3 right of a crest, long tightens, 50, 5 right long, opens of a crest, tightens, into 4 left of a crest and jump, opens and tightens, keep right of a bump into 5 left, 5 right, 6 left of a jump, into 4 right tightens. Keep left of a crest, jump, into 3 right tightens, into 5 left, into 4 right long, tightens 2, to keep left of a 30. Keep middle of a jump, into 4 right long, tightens, 50, don't cut, 3 left tightens, into 3 right of a jump, into 5 left, and 3 right long tightens, into 3 left long tightens, opens of a crest, into 5 right long, tightens 4, into 6 left, and 3 right long tightens, and 3 left long tightens, into 6 right of a crest, 40, 3 left long tightens, into 2 right long tightens. Slow, keep left of a 70, turn unseen hairpin right, uphill. Crest and 2 left long, opens 60, over finish, 80 to stop.